Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Ford Escape windshield wiper arm. First, make sure you have your new wiper arm and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Begin by gently lifting the old wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Now, look closely at the base of the wiper arm where it connects to the vehicle. You should see a small plastic cap or tab covering the retaining nut. With the cap located, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully pry it open, exposing the retaining nut underneath. Next, use a socket wrench to loosen and remove this nut. It's typically a 13mm or 15mm size. Once the nut is off, gently wiggle the old wiper arm back and forth while pulling it straight up and off the spline post. It might be a little stiff, but it should come off. Now take your new wiper arm and carefully align its base with the splines on the post. Make sure it's oriented correctly, usually pointing towards the bottom of the windshield. Push the new arm firmly down onto the post until it's fully seated. Then, replace the retaining nut and tighten it securely with your socket wrench. Don't over-tighten, but ensure it's snug to prevent the arm from coming loose. Finally, gently lower the new wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Before you finish, turn on your vehicle and test the new wiper arm's function using the windshield washer fluid to ensure it operates smoothly and clears the glass effectively. This simple replacement can make a big difference in your driving visibility. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.